today's episode of MotoCheez.
You in a little situation there, Minnie? Who else buys 5 dozen eggs from Costco? Is this the way you store them? Is this the best way? What's up, Minitruck? Pop-Pop dropped off some corn. Go down and feed the deers.
What about these pants I got on? You think they're okay?
That was a close one. We did get about another inch of snow, maybe 2 on top of what we had. Maybe we'll try to go in the back a little and set up for low.
What? I didn't have any corn.
It's not hunting season, we're not baiting deer, although you can where I live.
Imagine you're a deer. Bam!
I'm gonna brave the back, Minnie? Okay. The ruts are pretty deep, we might not make this. Definitely dragging bottom, Minnie. Holy cow. Pretty deep, Minnie. Put the lockers on. Holy cow. steep here. Like, no joke. Even though we're posy in the back, we're not posy in the front. Well, guess we're stuck. See, that wheel's spinning. That's not, and we can't lock the front, and that's usually a problem when it comes to something like this. You're in a little situation there, Minnie. Maybe we'll back around. Did a good job though. You made it up here pretty damn good. It's pretty steep here. You have to try to back out of here, Minnie. I went back and forth a bunch of times. It's not working. It's not working, Minnie. Steep. Lots of snow. That's rough. I don't care who you are or what you're driving. That's rough. And as a few of you mentioned, you never know what's under the snow. I definitely ran over a few trees. Temperature stays nice and cool, the fan kicked on, working properly. She is a billy goat for show. Ooh, made it back. Ow. Darn thorn bushes. idea you weren't gonna make it. Maybe if we go a little faster. Try in second gear. Second gear low, that's on. My diff lock. I wasn't worried about hitting that tree. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, Mini. Heck yeah. You done good. Turn off diff lock. Put it in high and turn off four-wheel drive. That'll do, Mini. That'll do.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.